Hi everybody, this is Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor, and I am here at the cottages at Tilghman, ready to show you this 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I'll show you the exterior of it as we leave, but right now we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna bring you inside. This comes fully furnished, and it is gorgeous. At this price point for $516,000, it's just excellent. This is located at 670 2nd Avenue North, right here in the heart of North Myrtle Beach. This is house number 46. And let's go ahead and take a look at this beauty. You're gonna love it. It's a 2-car garage as well. Total square footage is 2178, and the heated square footage is 1676. Alrighty. Okay, everybody. So as we enter here, this is the first level, beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. This comes fully furnished. That's right, and wait till you see how beautiful the furnishings are here. 4-bedroom, 3-bath, fully furnished for a little bit over $500,000 in a fabulous location in North Myrtle Beach. Pretty spectacular. This is a real gem. I know properties in the area and price points, and this is a great one here. So there's your closet for the first bedroom. And here is the second bedroom. So everything is high end in here, including the furnishings. Everything, the baseboard is wide. This actually kind of neat here. I want to show you. So you just slide this over, and there is sliding glass door here that leads out to a patio. So this is the patio for the first level. So 2 closets in here. So here is the first bathroom, first full bath. So everything looks brand new, right? That is because the homeowners purchased this new, and this is their second home, and they rarely use it. They haven't been here that often. So everything is basically new. So, which is absolutely wonderful. Great for the next homeowner. Okay, before we head upstairs, I'm going to show you the garage here. So this is a ample size 2-car garage. See, again, they've done everything to the nines. They went ahead and did the concrete with this beautiful epoxy. Plenty of storage here. There's storage right in there. There's even a sink here in the garage. And that golf cart does not convey. That the listing agent made sure to put that in the notes, so this does not convey. So here is the living area here, a nice big great room with cathedral ceilings. Beautiful leather couch here. Little leather seats, recliner seats. Nice crown molding. So there's the dining area as well as the kitchen. This could be a model home. This is just absolutely beautifully done with the furnishings. And out there is your screened-in porch. We'll take a look at this right now. So again, the same thing I'll show you with the sliding glass doors. And the fabulous thing about out here is there's plenty of privacy. So this is overlooking a wetlands area. Nothing will be developed back there. And it's a good size screened-in porch. Again, upgrades throughout. Even this sliding glass door is absolutely beautiful. And then same thing here with the blinds. These just slide right over. So again, with the cathedral ceilings here, just gives so much more spaciousness. Even though this is heated square footage, the almost 17,000. So plenty of cabinet space here. Nice breakfast bar here. So here you have your pantry. And then in here, a little storage closet. Alrighty. So here is another bathroom. Again, another full bath. Show the 3 full baths. It's just great, that shower tub combo. The house looks brand new. So this is the master suite. It's a great size here. And those cathedral ceilings. King size bed. Beautifully decorated. Okay, so here is the master bath. Nice little window up there letting in natural light. Nice large tub. You'll never want to get out of that. Get in there, some bubble baths, and read a good book. Again, and I hope this video is showing it, the home looks brand new. And the reason being on that is, as I told you before, this is bought brand new by the owners, and this is a second home, and they didn't use it too often. That's why they're selling. Plenty of windows in here to let in that natural light. In the closet here. What I wanted to show you is the walk-in closet in the master. Normally I don't forget to show these things, but I wanted to show you this. So spacious walk-in closet here in the master suite. So I just can't say enough about this home. I just think that this is a fabulous deal with the asking price at $516. This community comes with a pool and a pool house. The grounds are taken care of here, so you will not have to own a lawnmower because they take care of all the landscaping. Okay, the HOA is $233. That includes what I just told you: the pool, the landscaping, the electricity in the common areas, as well as trash and the management services. So there's just so much that this house and community has to offer. I have another video that I'm going to link below where I show you the community, the cottages at Tilghman community, so you'll be able to get a good feel for how everything around here looks. And there's just single family homes in this complex, in this community at Cottages at Tilghman, and the location is great, and I go on and on about that in my other video, so I won't repeating myself. I just want to show you the front again though too. This is on a cul-de-sac. So that is the front of the home. Absolutely beautiful here. Again, this absolutely gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bath, fully furnished home. Could be yours for a little bit over $500,000. I'd love to hear from you. This is Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor. My contact information is below, or feel free to just give me a call at 843-877-5839. Y'all take care until next time.